Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of r tan of s over s ds. So now I will show you the technique how to answer this one. About r tan of s, we can change into negative I multiply with ln of is plus 1 minus ln 1 minus is over 2. So we put this one in here. Next, we put negative I and number 2 outside. So we got this one in here. Divide by s ds. So we create about two integrals in here. The first one and the second one. Now I go to the first one. So I need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to negative is. So in this situation we got about negative u equal to is. So we do first the derivative in the both sides. We find the value of s in here. Is we change for negative u. So I put about 1 minus u in here. S we change for negative u and we have I in here. ds we change for negative I we divide both sides with negative I, so you got about du over negative I, so I with I they will cancel and we got about negative in here. So about this one we can get about the Logarian, so you got about negative li number 2 and we got about u plus c. About u we need to change back to this one. Next we go to the second one. We apply the same technique, but we just change the negative in here. This one we divide by I. This one we change for u. S we change for u over I, so you got I in here. ds we change for du over I, so I will cancel. We put the negative in here and here. So for this one you got the same with this one in here. So you got about negative this one plus c equal for this one. About u, we need to change back for is. This one need to fix to negative, so this one. And now we put this one back to the answer. This one we got about this one in here, and this one we have the negative, and you got about positive in here. This is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.